Tonight, the drama continues surrounding a piece of art at the Detroit Institute of Arts.
An art collector in Brazil says they bought the Van Gogh painting back in May of 2017. They had always believed the piece was in Brazil until they lost contact with their buyer in 2019. Then, the painting resurfacing at the DIA in 2022.
The entire ordeal landing in federal court today, and 7 Action News reporter Darren Cunningham was there.
The attorney representing the man who's suing the DIA says he got a phone call yesterday from New York City. On the other end of the line, an attorney who claims to represent the real owner. However, he says no further information was provided, and so they're still at square one.
When I saw it, I said, that's the picture that they pointed out.
I spoke with Cassandra Butler alongside her homeschool students and parents as they left the DIA, viewing the painting at the center of a lawsuit, along with dozens of others of Van Gogh's artwork.
Our students are studying about Van Gogh, and so it was just good for them to actually come down and actually see.
I actually really enjoyed a lot of his sketch work, just to see like the detail and the shadowing and shading.
During their visit, about 2.5 miles away, attorneys from the DIA and attorneys representing a Brazilian art collector who claims to own the novel reader painting faced off in federal court, where cameras are not allowed, but I sat in on the hearing. The plaintiff is Gustavo Soter. His attorney, Aaron Phelps, says Soter bought the painting in May 2017 for just over $3 million. A third party agreed to store the painting for him. Soter became concerned in 2020 when the third party stopped communicating. Phelps says the DIA needs to identify who loaned the painting to the museum and produce the loan agreement. The DIA's attorney, Andrew Powells, said the plaintiff never reported the art lost or stolen, and he asked the judge to dismiss the case. But here's the main point of contention. The DIA says it followed a State Department statute in order to acquire the artwork, which makes the DIA immune to this lawsuit. The plaintiff's attorney says that doesn't apply. Judge George Stee says, quote, "The interpretation of the statute is kind of open, given there's very little case law to address these issues," end quote. The judge goes on to say he will address an outcome that will have to occur sooner rather than later.
It would certainly be interesting to see what the outcome is.
The DIA released this statement today, declining to comment any further on the legal matter, saying in part, quote, "The museum's focus during these final days of the internationally celebrated Van Gogh in America exhibition is on welcoming guests from Macomb, Oakland, and Wayne counties around the state of Michigan, the United States, and the world," end quote. Reporting from the DIA, Darren Cunningham, 7 Action News.